Hey guys, welcome to Next on Mining India, and we are here in the Blockchain Live Conference 2023, and we are here at the Iceriver booth, and we have Ray over here.
Hi.
Welcome Ray to the channel. And what an amazing sight! So many Casper miners in one place.
Yeah.
So can you just show the audience what miners we have over here? And we have a very special miner, so just stay tuned till the end. We are going to show you a miner which is not yet even released, and it is a very efficient miner, so we're going to show it in the end. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, please Ray. Let's see.
We have KS0 here.
Oh, wow, KS0, everyone knows it. It looks great.
This is KS1, I think. KS1.
Yeah, this is the KS1.
Yeah, and this is KS3M. 3M here.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yep.
They all look the same. You really have to read, or you can see by the power supply they are a KS1 or KS2. But what has been the response for Casper miners? Because Iceriver is a new company.
Yeah.
But how do you think is the response? Are people really supporting Casper miners now?
Yeah, I think we are the new company, and we will try our best to serve our customer and make the good product. And that's our goal.
Yes.
Our vision about.
And we really, we have used the KS3 miners, and we really love them. What an amazing miner. There's never been a miner in the history which is making so much money. It's making wealth. It's not making profit, it's making wealth. So Ray, can you just show us the new miner you have over here?
Yeah.
So let's come on, just come and bola tha, the new miner which is not yet even released. So yeah, this is a KS0 Pro. So if I can.
Here is our latest.
You can actually read over there.
Latest KS0 model, KS0 Pro.
Yes, so this is a 200 gigahash variant.
Yep.
So this one makes 200 gigahash at just 100 watts. So that is 35 watt more than the normal KS0, which was giving 100 gigahash at 65 watt. This one is giving 200 gigahash at 100 watt. Wow, man, this looks amazing. It looks the same. Is there any difference in the looks?
Different looks is here.
Oh, okay.
You can see here.
So this is the normal KS0. This is the KS0 Pro.
Yeah, the internet cable is in front of here.
Oh, they just switched the position.
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't have the Type C.
Okay. But now you have the memory card slot here.
Yep.
Okay. Wow, looks amazing. So this is not yet even released to the normal people, is it?
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
And we have the KS3 and yes, all these KS3 and KS3M, KS3L, I don't know what not. They have all the Casper miners, guys. Thank you so much, Ray, for introducing us to the KS0. What an amazing site, guys. So much wealth to be made with these Casper miners. So you do check out the Iceriver website. Of course, everyone knows about it by now. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.